First of all, we need to start by going to the GitHub page of the Llama. Let's search it and then go to this web page. And then, okay, for installing, we'll choose a model that is suitable for our available RAM. So I'm gonna choose just the basic one for my Mac, and I will follow the instruction for installing on a Mac. So then we need to wait to this installation. Okay, then after this installation is done, we need to search for the OpenWebUI. And we'll also visit the GitHub page of this and ensuring that Docker is installed on your computer. So on this tab, we will navigate to the easiest option, which could be like here at the bottom page, Docker run. This command will create a host with a specific port number. So to confirm whether this port is available or not, you can actually use some command for it. Once confirmed, we can execute the Docker run command and open it in our web browser by typing localhost 3000. But I'm gonna use the Docker desktop just from here. I'm going to this link. And then next, we'll need to sign up for the OpenWebUI and select the model from the drop-down menu above. And after that, for this example, let's try searching for information on LLMs and RAGs using 2 sentences. Okay, so the performance of the model may vary depending on the specification of our computer. Fortunately, the selected model provides the suitable results. But keep in mind that if your hardware is capable of handling more complex models, then you can experiment with other options and compare their results to determine which one works best for you. Of course, I was not expecting how I'm gonna getting some great results from the ChatGPT, because you can actually compare these parameters and then how they use it.